Welcome, family. I am OG Dave.
And I am OG Princess. Thank you for joining us for today's topic.
Let me tell you what I knew about investing at 39 years old.
Nothing. I knew the word stocks. I knew Wall Street existed. I knew rich people did something with money that made them more money.
But the mechanics of it, how to actually do it, where to go, what to buy, nobody taught me that.
Not my parents, not my school, not my job. I was earning money, spending money, and starting over every month.
Not because I was irresponsible, because I was operating without the full picture.
Then something changed.
I was sitting across from a man about 15 years older than me, smart man, worked hard his whole life, and he was stressed.
Not a little stressed, scared.
Welcome, family. I am OG Dave.
And I am
OG Princess. Thank you for joining us for today's topic. Like and subscribe to us on YouTube.
Because he was 55 and he didn't have enough saved to stop working.
He'd done everything right, or so he thought. But right was just earning, never building.
I looked at him and I saw myself in 15 years.
I went home that night and I opened a brokerage account.
Not because I knew what I was doing, because I finally understood what happened to men who waited until they did.
The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is today.
My first move wasn't perfect, but it was mine. And it taught me more than any book could.
We're right to Nazar's. I didn't pick a winner. I bought the whole race.
The first week,
It went down $4. I almost sold it.
That's the moment most first-time investors quit. They see red and they run.
I didn't run.
Welcome, family. I am OG Dave. And I am OG Princess.
I learned that the market drops. That's not a bug, that's the price of admission.
Like and subscribe to us on YouTube.
Compound interest.
$100 a month into an S&P 500 index fund for 20 years.
At the historical 10% average annual return, that $100 a month becomes over $75,000.
From a man who didn't touch a stock until he was 40. Welcome, family.
You were told the market wasn't for you.
that was someone else's story about your life. Like and subscribe to us on YouTube.
Welcome, family. I am OG Dave.
And I am OG Princess.
Thank you for joining us for today's topic.
Like and subscribe to us on YouTube, Tossie Advisory Group, and TAG Premium Studios.
Thank you for supporting TAG Premium Studios.